What's good, YouTube? It's your boy David back with another video, and we're back with the tutorials, man. So today I'm gonna show y'all what I call gravity rows. I don't know if that's the official name for it, but that's what we were told whenever I was training for football. That was what this exercise was called. So we're gonna get into it today. So gravity rows is a great way to develop your back. It's a way to incorporate your own body weight and use it as resistance to basically develop your back further. So let's get into it. We're gonna go over here. And since we're in my apartment gym today, there's limited equipment, but we're gonna use this Smith machine, and you can do the same thing, in a regular gym. You're just gonna wanna find a bar that you can put, I would say, maybe a little bit lower than your hip. So you're gonna put it around there, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna get to the ground. You're gonna come under the bar, hold the bar like this, and you wanna put your feet, at a comfortable position where you can have basically your back and your elbows all in one plane underneath the bar. So you're gonna be like this, and I feel comfortable right here. You're gonna raise your hips off the ground, make sure your feet are stable and stiff, and you feel comfortable, elbows locked, you feel the weight of your body, the gravity, that's why it's called gravity rows. And then you're gonna pull up, so you're gonna drive your elbows back the same way you would with a barbell row. So basically think of this as like you're doing like a barbell row, but it's reverse and from the ground, and you're using your body weight as a way to have resistance and squeeze and contract your back at the top. Just like that. And you don't want your elbows, you don't want to be too far underneath the bar. So see right now, the bar is basically right directly under, I guess my head or my neck. If you want, if that angle's good, it's cool, but you can get a different angle if you need to. So right here, this isn't a very comfortable position because when I come up, see how my elbows have to flare out? That's not gonna be good for your shoulders. So you don't wanna be in this position. You wanna come a little bit further, have that bar kind of like right above your chest. So that way you can have your elbows, when you come up at a 45-degree angle, the same way you would with a barbell row, and come straight up. When you come up, contract that back, and then come down. And again, this is a good way, this is a good way to, develop your back and do basically a back row without having to use a whole lot of weight. Doing a barbell row, sometimes that can be really challenging. Just with the weight distribution, you might not have enough core strength to kind of stay up and keep good form. Same thing with dumbbells. So this is a good way to kind of incorporate. And let's say you have limited equipment in your gym, all you need is a bar. So like you can basically consider this calisthenics. So all you need is a bar and your body, and you can get some good work in for your back. So if I were you, this is a great exercise to maybe throw in at the beginning of your back workout, so that way you can get like a nice good pump just using your own body weight, or you can throw it in at the end of your workout as a finisher. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm gonna demonstrate this one more time for y'all, and then we're gonna head out. All right, one more set. And to get with this exercise, you are going to incorporate, so this exercise is not only gonna hit your back, it's gonna hit a lot of your other muscles as well. It's gonna engage your core a little bit, so you're gonna have to keep a tight core with this. It's gonna engage a little bit of your glutes and your legs, so you're gonna have to stay tight throughout this whole exercise. But still, I would almost say that this exercise is a really good exercise for a full body, overall full body, because you're gonna hit a little bit of your legs, a little bit of your glutes, but mainly your back. So, again, we're gonna get under the bar, get into a comfortable position, bar kind of over your chest area. And then when you come up, that's you engaging your core. You can squeeze your glutes a little bit, but right here, you really wanna be just mind muscle connection with your back. And then pull up. Drive those elbows back and squeeze your back. You're gonna even get a little bit of bicep in this. you down. You don't want to be like this. Keep it directly up. Keep that spine neutral. And there you have it. All right, so I appreciate y'all watching this tutorial. I got much more coming for y'all. So y'all try this on your own. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we out.